Upload a video on YouTube is not just all about hitting that upload button, but you need to do it in the right way. So in this video, I'll teach you how to upload video on YouTube like a pro. Hi, my name is Titus from Digital Titus. On this channel, I teach creators like you how to grow their YouTube channel faster. So watch this video till the end. One thing you need to do first, just go to Google and search YouTube Studio. Just try to search YouTube Studio. So as you can see, it's this one. Let me just cancel this one because I mistakenly write S. YouTube Studio. And as you can see, it's the first link is what we're gonna click. This first link, we are gonna click it. Let's click it. Now just waiting for it to load, and it will surely put us in YouTube Studio. And most people, they upload their videos using a YouTube app, and the YouTube app has a limitation, so it's not like this one. So now let's just click create. As you can see, this is my YouTube channel. Let's just click where it's written create and upload. Let's just click where it's written select or drag or drop your video file. Then you're going to look for where is your video file. So mine is here in media pack. Then it's this one. So I chose this one. We are just waiting for it to load. As you can see, my video title is written 2025 04 2025, and this is the day exactly I shoot this video. So I recommended whenever you are shooting a video and then you edit it, please try to write it or save it with a name. So now we're just going to remove this name, and then you're going to write our name. What's the video all about? Let me say the video is all about how to make money online. Just an example. So make sure that you do your keyword research properly. And if you don't know how to do the keyword research properly, let me know in the comment section so that I could do the next video how to do research to rank your video in YouTube search. So let me say it's how to make money online. Let's say this is our toy title now. Let's just copy it. Just copy it and you continue. Now you need to write the video description. So for you to make it simple, I suggest that you must just go to ChatGPT so that he can write a description for you. Let's go there. Because we're gonna tell ChatGPT to do exactly whatever we want him to do, or whatever we want him to do. So just search ChatGPT. Mine is here, and click the first link. So it does not matter whether you are logged in or you are not logged in. So the point is just to give ChatGPT a prompt on how he will write our description. You can just say, let's just say, hi chat, write a good description for my YouTube video about. Then you paste your title or just write it there. Use keywords for SEO ranking. you're just going to send it to ChatGPT. So now ChatGPT is busy preparing whatever we tell him. They just keep waiting for a minute and you're gonna do everything, and this is very simple, guys. As you can see, sure, here is a SEO optimizing YouTube video description for your video titled How to Make Money Online. And here's the video, How to Make Money Online in 2025. Best proven method to make money from home. So this is our good description. Looking for a real way to make money online? In this video, I will walk you through legit method to earn money. And this is, guys, it's really great. Watch to learn. It's even tell us what exactly you are going to learn all about the video. So it's very simple. And even tell you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss money making tips. Even give you already the chapters. So it's really amazing, guys. So what you're going to do now, we're just going to copy this description and paste it in our video description. I copied. Now we're just gonna put it back on our video description. Let's just wait it to load. I hope nothing has changed. If it has changed, then I will. Okay. So let's just put our description here. Let's just paste it. Exactly. We paste it now. Now the only thing you need to do is to remove this one. Sure. Because we don't need this one. Just remove it. And even these stars things, maybe you can leave the fire one, but this one you must remove it. And from there you can see these stars. You must make sure that you remove it, because YouTube must not know that we take our things from ChatGPT, because ChatGPT always make those things with stars, right? So, and here you can see whether you're a student, stay at home, it's always tell us. So we just remove those stars. Make sure that you remove these stars. Also this one where it's written, don't forget to like. Make sure that, guys, you remove all these stars. Make sure that you just remove every star, guys. So I tell you, it's even give you already the hashtag that you need to add in your video. I'm just gonna remove also this tag. Want me to help you with good title tags. If you want, you can just say yes, the HTTP, but for now, you just need a description since we already have our title. So from there, you're going to continue. You're just scrolling down. Make sure that you have a good thumbnail. Remember, a good thumbnail help you with click-through rates. So the more your content or your thumbnail looking attractive, the more you attracting people. For now, I did not put a thumbnail here, but I recommended you to put a good thumbnail, right? So, and if you have a playlist of videos that are related to the video that you are doing, make sure you add those videos. For me now, I don't have any playlist. So this playlist, you can see, is not really based on my previous video, so I will not put any, but for you, put if you have. And here it's asked, in this video is made for kids. Remember, it's not made for kids, because if you say made for kids, YouTube will just show this video to kids, and that is not what you want. Just go to show more. Is this video a paid promotion? We know. So if it's no, just leave it like that. And make sure that here also we might just leave it like this. Automatic chapter, you will make sure that you allow automatic chapter and keyword moments. So tags, here is tags. Now here you can use text. Now on the text session you need to put text, so you can go back to ChatGPT to ask him to give you text and you insert them here. So let's just do it right now. So after you go to ChatGPT, just paste the same YouTube description that he give you. Just paste it there. Now you're going to tell him to write just tell him, help me with tags. The purpose for the tags is just to let YouTube know what exactly your video is all about. So it's needed. You're just waiting for it to finish. Now it's finished. As you can see, here are tags. Make money online 2025. So just going to copy them. So but I recommended you to copy one by one and paste it on YouTube. How to make money online 2025. So and put this one. That's our tag. Can you see now? It's like that. So make sure that you paste it one by one. Okay, then you go to language. Select the language of your video. Mine is English. It's not Albanese. It's English. The video is in English. So you have to choose English. So let's just choose English. Just make sure that you search English. Now caption certification. You just left it like that. And here is the location. So it's good to put a location. So where exactly your video was, put it. This one is not really, so it's not a must, it's your option to choose. Just leave everything like this one, this. And here is the best thing now. Remember, your category must be based on what you do. If you do comedy, must be comedy. If you do education, must be education. If you do people and blogs, must people in blog. But because this video is how to make money online, I'm going to choose the how to. You're going to choose how to. Can you see? It's a how to style. So this is the way it will tell YouTube exactly what the video is all about. And again, you can see in the comment and rating. So comment must be on, because the more people are commenting and you reply them, the more YouTube will know that yes, your content is really useful and will spread it to a lot of people. And that's all what we need, right? And here we are going to now add video elements. First of all, we are just going to find for adding cards. Why it's needed for us to add cards on these videos is to promote others' videos. If you have videos from your channel, make sure that you add cards. And cards, those are the cards that appear on top of your, if I'm not mistaken, it's right or left of your phone. Whenever a person is talking, then it's telling you that to watch our next video, it will pop up here. That's what we call a card. So you can add it there. So for me, I will not add any card because I don't have any video there. So make sure that you add yours. And from there, you go to check. So you can check. Well, we check your video for issue that might restrict its visibility. And then you have the opportunity to fix before published. So this video does not have any issue. so it's right. Remember that YouTube is copyright, and that's all what we need to do. So whenever we are uploading our video, we did everything which is right. So let's continue to visibility. Now visibility is like this. Is the most important part I want to tell you. So make sure that your video is either private or unlisted. Don't put your video on public the first time you upload it. This is why you're not getting a lot of views. Why should you put your video on private or unlisted? This is the reason. Whenever you put your video on private or unlisted, it's only you can able to see it. And if you do anything wrong, whether maybe in the description or whatsoever, maybe the thumbnail is not really catch, you want to try another one, so you can able to use these things. You can able to edit it. But once you put it already there, it's very difficult to edit other things. So this is a good thing. So make it private. I suggest make it private, your video. And then from there, I think we are ready to go. Remember that again, private is good because the video need to be private at least 1 day or 2 days before it's go on YouTube. Why? Because this is allow YouTube algorithm to know exactly what is your video is all about and which audience do they need your video. So this like this, it allow YouTube now to send your video to the right people. So make it on private. Make it on private for at least 1 day or 2 days before you publish your video. I'm going to sweep the screen again so you can able to see it. So exactly, now you can able to see a save button. So let's save our video. Now it's saved. So our video is now saved. Remember, our video now is now saved. Let's just go to videos here, and here is our video. Here is our video. You can able to edit it anytime you want. So it's very simple, guys. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. So see you next time.